Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Roku TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's make sure that you do have built-in Bluetooth on your Roku TV. So just go to your settings. I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the settings right there. Now from here, I'm going to go to remotes and devices. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now you can see where mine says Bluetooth headphones and speakers. So if you don't have that, then your Roku TV does not have built-in Bluetooth. However, a workaround for you would be simply just download the Roku app onto your TV, and then you can connect these to your phone, and then you can listen to these from your TV. But anyway, this video is for the built-in Bluetooth. So before we select this, let's go ahead and put these into pairing mode. So we'll know that these in pairing mode is when it's blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red right over here, okay? So let me first turn these headphones off. So look at the minus button and the plus button here. I'm gonna press and hold that plus button and keep holding it until it turns off. Okay, I saw the red light there just turned off. Now I'm gonna put it into pairing mode. This time I'm going to press the plus button again, but I'm going to press and hold and wait until it starts blinking blue, red right there. Okay, so plus button here, ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding, wait. Wait, there you go, blue, red. It also says pairing if this is in your ears. And then over here, we're going to select the Bluetooth speakers or headphones and speakers, so select that. Now from here, you can see I have lots of other headphones and earbuds that's paired to this TV here, but you just want to go to where it says add new Bluetooth audio device right there. Go ahead and select on that. And there you go, that little spinning thing right there, searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. And it did find it right there, and it's still in the pairing mode, blue, red. So it's highlighted. Let's OK that on the remote. Okay, it's connected, the lights just went off. And this is where we are done as well. And you can see that we're connected from here as well from the check mark. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it into pairing mode, if you had trouble connecting, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.